Good morning, children. Welcome to our maths class. I am your teacher Aarti Pathak. Our today's topic is subtraction. So let's begin our class. Now, today's topic is subtraction. This is a symbol of subtraction. Now, what is subtraction? Subtraction is taking away some numbers or objects from a group. That means subtraction में हम किसी numbers को उससे अलग कर रहे हैं group से. That is subtraction. Like 5 apples are there. अगर मैं उसमें से 2 apples को बाहर away उसमें से निकाल लेती हूँ, then how many are left? 5 minus 2, that is 3. So there are 3 left. Now the number that is subtracted is called subtrahend. यहाँ पर हमने 2 को subtract किया है, तो 2 is known as subtrahands. The number from which we subtract is called minuend. जिस नंबर में से हम subtract करने जा रहे हैं, like initially we have 5 apples, तो 5 is the minuend, and जिसको subtract करने जा रहे हैं that is 2 apples, तो वो हो गया subtrahands. The result or the answer of subtraction is called the difference. How many apples are left? That is 3, and that answer is known as difference. Is it clear? So there are 3 words. One is subtrahend, second is minuend, and third is the difference. Now let's see this example. Subtract 6743 minus 2531. That means this bigger number is the minuend and this lower number is the subtrahend, or we can say this is a smaller number. And whenever minuend minus subtrahend, we get its difference. First, we are arranging them in the place value chart. There are 4-digit numbers, so we can arrange them. Always start arranging from the ones place. 3, 4, 7, 6. Similarly, we can arrange this smaller number under the larger number. That is minuend arrange on the top. Under it, we can arrange the subtrahend. That is the smaller number. So 1, 3, 5 and 2. First we have arranged them. Now we do the subtraction. Now make a place of minus at the lower side and we will find its difference. Now first we can subtract at the ones place digit. So 3 minus 1. Taking away 1 from 3, that is 2. 4 minus 3. 4 में से 3 को minus करेंगे तो we got 1. 7 minus 5. 7 में से 5 को minus कर दीजिए. I got it 2. 6 minus 2. 6 में से 2 को minus करिए. I got 4. So this answer is known as the difference. Always remember, children, this minuend is greater than subtrahend. Remember it. और minuend को हम टॉप पे लिखेंगे और उसके नीचे हम subtrahend को लिखेंगे, और जो आंसर हमें subtraction के बाद मिलेगा, that answer is known as the difference. I hope these terms are clear. Now we can understand some properties. Now understand properties of subtraction. Children, always remember these properties always helpful to do our mathematical calculation very fast and in a very easy way. Understand the property 1. When we subtract 0 from any number, 0 को किसी भी नंबर में से यदि subtract किया जा रहा है, the difference is the number itself. Difference is the answer of subtraction. मुझे आंसर में क्या मिलेगा? Number itself means same number. अब हम इसको देखते हैं. First example is 16 minus 0 and second example is 355 minus 0. अब हम इसको calculate करते हैं. 6 में से यदि मैंने 0 को minus किया, I got 6. 1 as it is. That means I got the same number. Similarly, I do this question. 5 minus 0 is 5. No number here, 5 and 3. So what I got? 16 minus 0 is the same number and 355 minus 0 is the same number. This is the property number 1. Now understand the second property. Property number 2. When we subtract a number from itself, that means यदि किसी नंबर में से उसी नंबर को subtract करा जा रहा है, the difference means answer of subtraction is always 0. उसका जो आंसर होगा, डिफरेंस होगा, वो हमेशा 0 होगा. सी दिस एग्जाम्पल, 16 माइनस 16, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे 16 में से 16 को ही माइनस किया जा रहा है. वी कैन टेक अनदर एग्जाम्पल, सेम 355 minus 355. We do the calculation in the rough column. This is our rough column. ऐसा ही रफ कॉलम आप अपनी कॉपी में भी बनाएंगे और उसमें आप जो भी रफ वर्क करना चाहते हैं वो कर सकते हैं. वंस प्लेस पे 6 minus 6 is 0 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 16 minus 16 is 0. Now we do the calculation. 5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 3 minus 3 is 0. Instead of writing 3 times 0, we can write 1 times 0. Is it clear? So when we subtract a number from itself, किसी नंबर को उसी नंबर में से subtract किया जाता है, the difference is always 0. Now understand property number 3. When we subtract 1 from any number, यदि किसी भी नंबर में से मैं 1 को subtract करेंगे, we get the predecessor of the number. Predecessor means उस नंबर का हम बिफोर नंबर फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. आपने चैप्टर नंबर्स में भी ये टॉपिक करा है, दैट इज बिफोर और -1, दैट इज प्रीडिसेसर. Is it clear? We can understand by the example 16 minus 1 and 355 minus 1. जब हम -1 कर रहे हैं तो देखते हैं क्या होता है. 6 में से 1 को हमने माइनस करा, I got it 5 and 1 is as it is. So 15 is the predecessor of the 16. अब 5 में से 1 माइनस किया, I got it 4, 5 and 3. So अब हम इसका आंसर लिखते हैं और इसको अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं. 16 minus 1 is 15. So 15 is the predecessor of the number. That means 15 is the predecessor of the 16. Similarly, when I do the minus, I got it here 354. So 354 is the predecessor of the 355. Is it clear? So these are 3 properties. Learn it. Do practice with some other numbers. Children, bye bye. I will meet you in the next class.